We know from Intro to SE from the previous class, right, that the requirement is the first step of waterfall models, right? For example, in this picture, requirement is the first step, and then analysts use the requirement to analysis and design the system. After that, the developer code and test the system, and then acceptance. Okay, and in the waterfall at the beginning, right, we don't know what to build, so we plan what to build at the beginning, right? And after we finish the plan, we give it to the developer to build. Developer won't change anything, right, because they cannot decide, and they just keep padding or just build the system. And after that, the tester will test the program. If you don't get good enough requirements, tester in the tester phase. If you don't find good enough requirement in the testing phase, they may find some mistakes that maybe incomplete system or something like that. They may issue this, and then after the project finished, the user is just used. Okay, and for waterfall, that after they find mistake, they cannot change anymore, and then they launch the system and let people use the, sometimes have disability build a system, but the user have to use because according to the waterfall. Okay, and then after that, we have the iterative concept and iterative lifecycle at the beginning. Also find with some ideas and concepts, and then do the business analysis. And then product owner decide, write the user story of the product, plan for the product, and then let developer dev according to what they are given. So the requirement phase is initial concept step, preliminary business analysis step, product owner write the user story step. This is the requirement. Okay, and iterative, even they have after they find mistake, they can change, right? However, before give to the developer, these are all requirement phase. Okay, and for spirals, okay, at the beginning, the team will identify the objective and constraint and alternative of the project, and then do risk mitigation, evaluation, and alternative, and then execute and test, and then review plan for the next proposal, and continue doing these cycles until the project finished. Top up the function until the project finished. And the requirement in engineer is on the right side of the chart. Okay, the diagram. Okay, so this is spiral model. And how about agile? Actually, agile is not the development life cycles. It has like a concept to make everything fast and to let every stakeholders communicate. Okay, and actually it's work like the iterative step that they get the requirements here, and then depth, test, and then feedback. And after there are no any feedback anymore, everything clear, everything finished, everyone agree, then the product finished. And so agile will do these cycles again and again until the product finished, and they have to do it fast according to the concept. Okay, so as you see, requirements are related to even any any software development lifecycle is related to the requirement, and the requirement is at the very beginning of the project. And as you see in this picture again, okay, these three phases, build, test, and launch, will build the things according to what the requirement engineer on the first phase, on the plan phase, give to them. So if the requirement engineer give them incorrect plan, that means the whole system will turn out disability, okay, or make mistake, and sometimes make the system that no one use. So this software engineering requirement engineering is quite really important in software project. Okay, and this is they can make the project fail or success by using this phase. Actually other phases are also important, but the most important to let you guys make the right product is come from the requirement engineer phase.